BettaCare Expandable Pet Barrier is a simple and effective barrier to keep pets away from areas of the house that you don't want them to go into. The barrier comes in 3 different colours, a natural wood, a grey and a white. And there are 2 sizes of barrier. The smaller size runs from 60 centimetres to 108 centimetres, and the larger size will run from 60 centimetres to 230 centimetres. When you open the box for your BettaCare Expandable Pet Barrier, remember to keep the box because the box has the instructions on the rear side of how to fit the product. You'll find inside your expandable pet barrier some fixings. We supply wooden screws for the hinge side, and we also supply longer screws and plugs if you're going into concrete or brick. You'll also find a hook eye for the opening side fixing, and useful additional tools are a screwdriver, Phillips, a pen or pencil to mark the holes, and also a spirit level. To fit your barrier, first of all, we need to open slightly and just turn around the 2 hinge side fixings. There's one at the top and one at the bottom. There, and then using our pen, we're going to mark where we're fixing our barrier. So we're fixing it on our frame here, and we're going to mark it at the top and at the bottom. And it's wise at this stage to also use your spirit level to ensure that the 2 sides are straight. When you're happy with that, mark the 2 holes at the top and at the bottom, and then we'll simply screw the barrier into position. We're using a wooden frame, so we'll use the wood screws. Once we have fixed the barrier on the hinge side, we then just need to mark where we're going to be putting in the hook eye on the opening side. So we open the barrier, and then looking at where the gap is in the locking mechanism, this is where the hook eye will be attaching when it's completed. So we'll just mark where we're going to fit it. We've pre-marked this in this hole there, and then you simply screw in the hook eye until it's affixed, and then you'll be ready to lock the gate. Once you've screwed in the hook eye, the gate has a very simple locking mechanism. Just simply pull it across, raise it up, and then drop it down, and then the gate is affixed securely in position.